your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of the management, principal, and staff of Canberra High School CBSE, I welcome you all to the virtual investiture ceremony for the academic year 2020-21. At this juncture, I would like to inform you that today in this meeting, we have with us our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Pushparaj Badiyadka, Principal of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Kasaragod, the Executive Members of the Canberra High School Association, Shri Annupa Pai, Shri Padmanabha Pai, Shri Suresh Kamath, Shri Vaman Kamath, and Shri Gopala Krishna Shenoy. The correspondent of Canberra High School CBSE, Shri Kochikar Sudhagar Pai, our principal, Mrs. Joy J. Rai, PTA representatives, the newly chosen cabinet members and their parents, and the staff. I assure you that this unique ceremony is going to be a memorable one for all of us. Glimpses of Investiture Ceremony 2019-20.
All these are the slides of last year's investiture ceremony. The Kendra family, particularly the Kendra CBSE family, has lost two important personalities. Great men, great souls. When they depart, they leave a void which is very difficult to fill. Our CHSA President, Shri S.S. Kamath, has been a source of support and encouragement for all our school activities. Last year's ceremony took place in his presence, and today we miss him here. Talking about Prashant sir. Never did we foresee such a circumstance, and it brings immense pain and sorrow to all of us. But it's not how long a man lives, but how deep that life is. In your pain and sorrow, remember that he was a great man. He occupies a place in the hearts of all the staff, students, and parents of Canberra CBSE.
Dear God, into your hands we place our worries, cares, and troubles. Into your wisdom we place our path, direction, and goals. Into your love we place our lives. Let us begin our program with invocation to God Almighty. I invite Mrs. Shaila to lead us in prayer.
Om Ekadantam Shurpakarnam Vignanasham Shubhapradam Parvati Tanayam Devam Vignesha Pranamamyaham. Om Ganeshaya Namaha Vakratundam Mahakayam Adipujam Ganadipam Vidyaprabhatamanisham Vignesham Pranamamyaham. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om.
Thank you, Shalana. I now invite my colleague, Mrs. Pratima Shenoy, to welcome the gathering and to introduce the chief guest. Over to you, Pratima ma'am.
Thank you, Parvati ma'am. Great things are achieved through great leadership, and great leaders are created in the four walls of a classroom. Investiture ceremony is one of the memorable events of every academic year. This provides an opportunity to the students to discover the leadership quality within them. Good afternoon, one and all. On behalf of Canara High School CBSE, I feel extremely happy to extend a hearty welcome to you all for this momentous occasion of Investiture ceremony. First and foremost, I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Pushparaj Badiyadka, Principal of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Vidyanagar, Kasaragod, for having spared his valuable time to grace this occasion with his august presence. Mr. Pushparaj Badiyadka is the Director of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Vidyanagar, Kasaragod. He has 27 years of teaching experience and 14 years of clinical experience with learning disability students. He is the HRD trainer since 1996 and has trained more than 20,000 students. He was a trainer for Canara Bank Hassan Division during 2003 to 2005. He has conducted seminars for Department of Psychology in various colleges. He has trained more than 20,000 teachers in classroom management at various colleges in Mangaluru and Bengaluru. He is specialized in learning problems and remedial teaching for students with dyslexia. He was the advisor for Karnataka State Government for teacher training during SSA 2009 to 2014. He was also the resource person for Manipal University for the panel discussion of learning style questionnaire. At present, he is running a counseling clinic at Mangaluru. He is specialized in kindergarten material preparation and also a learning style designer for SSLC, PUC, degree, engineering and medical students. He has conducted several programs for Rotary, Junior Chamber, Rotaract, etc. He is the master trainer for Department of Education, Lakshadweep. He has conducted more than 500 workshops on learning style and teachers orientation program in various colleges. We are indeed glad to have you, sir. We take this opportunity to welcome you to our program.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, sir. It's our privilege to welcome our Vice President, Mr. Annappa Pai, for his esteemed presence. Welcome you, sir. We feel proud to welcome our correspondent, Mr. Kochikra Sudhakar Pai, who is always our strong pillar of support. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
We extend a genial welcome to the members of our managing committee for their delightful presence. Welcome you all, sirs. Our principal, Mrs. Georgie Rai, is a source of encouragement to us. A support in the meticulous planning of all the activities of our school help us achieve success. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you, ma'am. Faculty members of Canara CBSE have always rendered unwavering cooperation and support for all our activities. A friendly welcome to all my colleagues. A cordial welcome to all the PTA members and parents present here. Our school is an institution which has the fame of always taking the road less traveled. By giving academics the due importance it deserves, it has always endeavored to provide its students with that little extra for their holistic development. We extend a cheerful welcome to all the precious stars of our school. Welcome you all, my dear children. Once again, I extend a hearty note of welcome to everyone present in today's ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratima ma'am. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. With this noble thought, let us inaugurate today's ceremony by lighting of the lamp. All of us would be eagerly waiting to know about the newly elected cabinet members of our school for the year 2021. May I invite Mrs. Aparna AP to declare the names of our school cabinet members along with the positions they hold. Over to you, Aparna ma'am.
Thank you, Parvati. The members of the newly formed cabinet for the academic year 2020-21. The head girl selected student is Ashna Rai. Ashna Rai is a friendly, proactive and helpful person. A multi-talented girl, Ashna has a passion for poetry writing, journalism and sports. Her hobbies include reading books, dancing and sketching. She is also an NCC cadet of our school. K.S. Danesh. Danesh, who will be the head boy of the school this year, is a very courageous, enthusiastic and energetic individual. A very obedient, helpful and responsible student, Danesh is interested in sports, both individual and team events. Karate, painting and dancing are his other likes. Cultural ministers. Sai Pratiksha. Sai Pratiksha has a flair for biology, coding and 3D animation. Her hobbies are dancing, listening to music, watching movies and making animations. She is an optimistic and a friendly person. Nishant Kamath. A tech-savvy, fun-loving and cheerful student. This describes Nishant Kamath, who is the cultural minister for this academic year. A good guitarist, he is equally interested in making science models, cycling, building drones and graphic designing. Sports ministers. Swapna Haridas, an NCC cadet who fancies calligraphy and biology, loves to read fictional novels, listen to music and watch movies. A responsible, friendly and kind person, Swapna will be the sports minister of the school for this academic year. Yashas Shetty. A fun-loving, energetic and friendly person. Chosen to help Swapna in her duty this year. He is a good cricketer. Yashas also has a liking for portrait drawing and reading autobiographies of sports persons. Discipline ministers. Navami Pai, a friendly, cheerful, who is well-groomed and very disciplined, is rightly chosen as the discipline minister of the school this year. With her interest in biology and psychology, Navami loves to paint, listen to good soothing music, and maintain a colorful and impressive garden. Navami is helped by Arjun Shenoy, an honest, friendly, and helpful boy. He is interested in traveling and computer animation. His hobbies include reading novels, swimming, and coin collection. Information ministers. Swati Prabhu. The God-fearing and fun-loving Swati Prabhu is selected as the information minister of the school for this year. Traveling, listening to music, and gardening are her hobbies, while psychology is her field of interest. Ninad Kular. A friendly, helpful, caring, and responsible person, Ninad likes to work with computers a lot. Cycling, playing tennis, the keyboard, and other musical instruments are some of his hobbies. He is interested to pursue neurology. Health ministers. Sakshi A. Rao and Sri Ganesh Kamath. Sakshi Rao, the friendly wizard of our school, who has also won the national awards for the same, is selected as the health minister for the school cabinet. Self-motivated and dependable, Sakshi likes to read books, solve jigsaw puzzles, and listen to music. Her interests lie in the field of math and biology. Sri Ganesh Kamath is a cheerful and friendly boy who is interested in listening to music and loves to produce EDM music and remixing audio tracks. He practices yoga regularly and wants others also to do the same and to remain fit. This is the cabinet of Canara CBSE for the academic year 2020-21. Congratulations, children.
A proud moment for all of us indeed. Thank you, Aparna. We now move on to the most significant event of the day, the oath-taking ceremony. May I request our principal, Mrs. Georgie Wright, to kindly take lead for the ceremonial oath-taking. I request all the cabinet members to repeat the oath, thereby take charge of their positions. Children, kindly adjust your web cameras and be in the oath. Over to you, ma'am.
Students, kindly keep your hand on your heart and repeat after me. The head girl will start. I, Ashna Rai,
the head girl,
K.S. Danish,
I, the head boy,
Sai Pratiksha and Nishant Kamath, the cultural ministers, Swapna Haridas and Yash Shetty, the sports ministers, Navami Kai and Arjun Shenoy, the discipline ministers, Swati Prabhu and Ninad Kulal, information ministers, Sakshi Rao and Ganesh Kamath, health ministers. Hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that we will diligently execute
that we will diligently
execute
the position of head girl,
the position of head girl,
head boy,
head boy,
and student council representatives
as
and
student
student
council
to
representatives
the best of our
representatives
ability.
to the best of our abilities.
We will uphold,
we will
We will uphold,
promote, and support
throughout and support
promote, and support
the ideals and principles
the ideals and
the
principles
ideals and principles
of Canara High School CBSE.
of Canara High School
Canara
CBSE.
High School CBSE.
We will serve as positive role models,
We will serve as
We will
positive
serve as role models,
show respect towards the members of CHSA,
show respect towards the
show
members,
respect towards the members of CHSA,
principal,
principal,
principals,
teachers,
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 parents and friends,
parents and
parents
friends,
and friends,
and perform our duties
and
and
perform the
perform our duties
with integrity.
with integrity.
with integrity.
We will abide by the rules
We will
We
abide
will
by
abide by the rules
and regulations of the school
and
and
regulate
regulations of the school
and bring laurels
and bring
and bring laurels
and glory to our alma mater.
and
And-
glory to our alma mater.
So help us, God.
so help
So
us
help
God.
us, God.
Congratulations, students, and thank you very much. All the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And dear children, the entire Canara family wishes you good luck and great success. It is now time to listen to our cabinet members. I now proudly invite the most responsible and deserving candidate for the prestigious position of a head girl, Ashna Rai. A multi-talented student, Ashna excels in academics, sports, dance, literature, and whatnot. Let us lend our ears to Ashna Rai.
Good evening to everyone present here. Today, I stand before you as the head girl of Canara High School CBSE. I, first and foremost, offer my utmost gratitude to our beloved principal ma'am and my teachers who have been my guiding light and deemed me fit for this position. I also thank all my supportive friends for motivating and encouraging me. Canara High School CBSE has been very integral in shaping me to be the person I am today. Being head girl, I think, it is the perfect way to give back to my school. In these difficult times, I pledge to adhere to my responsibilities and ensure my duties are fulfilled. I will assist my teachers in any way possible to make sure all our online programs and daily happenings occur smoothly. I pledge to be a good role model and stand for all my fellow students and help them in any way, whether it is academics or extracurricular. I will be looking forward to be of service for this academic year. Thank you to my entire Canberra family for believing me and believing in my abilities. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Ashna, and wish you great success ahead. Stepping forward now is K.S. Danish, the newly elected head boy of our school. A very well-disciplined, well-mannered student who is excellent in sports, a respected NCC cadet, and a very honest and humble student of our school. Let us listen to our head boy, K.S. Danish.
Good evening, one and all present here. I, K.S. Danish, feel privileged to be addressing you all today as the head boy. I thank our principal and teachers with my heart for the responsibility that stood on me as the head boy of this prestigious school. I pledge to deliver my duties and responsibilities with utmost diligence and sincerity. Leadership is not just about the position or a title. It's all about the action and setting an example. I congratulate newly appointed leader representatives for the academic year 2020 and 21. Due to the pandemic situation, the online classes have started. So it's our responsibility to utilize it properly, which our teachers are taking a lot of effort in doing so. Along with this, let's join our hands together in making this year's Sports Day, Annual Day, and other activities a memorable one. These student athletes are goal-driven and highly motivated. I seek the cooperation of each one to work together and set higher standards for ourselves, not only in academics, but also in sports, music, art, and team spirit. We are here to make sure that the flag of Canberra School CBSE always flies high in the blue sky, mounted with love, hoisted with dignity, and fluttering with grace. I and my whole team are with you all in all aspects of this tenure to improve the school further and create an excellent atmosphere in the school. I end my speech by telling that let the position not define the work we do, but let the work define the position we hold. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, Danish, and wish you all the best. Let us listen to our cultural ministers. I invite Sai Pratiksha to come forward to speak a few words.
With great power comes great responsibility. Good evening, everyone. I am K. Sai Pratiksha. I am incredibly grateful for this opportunity to take up the role of the cultural minister in the school cabinet. I promise to perform my duties impeccably and to keep up the faith invested in me with this responsibility. CBSE offers a lot of importance to cultural activities which are a vital part of a student's life. Now, in this pandemic situation, we can use online tutorials to learn these activities. And if any of you have any doubts or need some help regarding finding a good tutorial or what skill to learn, please do contact me. I will be happy to assist you in any way I can. I also assure you that I will contribute to the smooth and efficient running of all cultural competitions to be held in our school. So please do participate in all the cultural events which will be held henceforth in our school. I would like to conclude by wishing you all the best in bringing out the cultural side of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai Pratiksha. Wish you good luck. I now invite Nishant to speak a few lines.
Good evening, everyone. I at the outset would like to thank Principal Ma'am and teachers for confer the post culture minister on me. It is indeed exciting opportunity to bring the colors of cultural diversity on the canvas of Canberra. Despite the corona pandemic, I plan, execute, and deliver the best of my abilities. But with able leadership, working together as a team, I am sure to commit to just to the position that I have been given in school. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishant. Thank you, Nishant. Moving on to our sports ministers, I invite Swapna Haridas to come forward to speak to the gathering.
Good evening, respected Principal Ma'am and teachers. I, Swapna Haridas, wholeheartedly thank everyone for electing me as the Sports Minister of the Cabinet for this academic year. Sports is an activity which helps us in maintaining a proper physique and a positive mentality. Since this is a difficult time, activities can be held virtually in which the students have to record themselves doing the activity. This can also be held as a competition in which the best performance be awarded. For example, skipping, yoga, hula hooping, etc. As a sports minister for this academic year, I pledge to keep the spirit of sports alive even in this situation. I promise to be a good leader, a good role model. Thank you.
Thank you, Sapna. Wish you good luck. I now invite Yashis to speak a few lines.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Yashis R. Shetty. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I thank my principal ma'am and my teachers from the bottom of my heart for choosing me as a sports minister. Sports keeps us physically and mentally fit. It also trains our mind to accept failure and strive for success. So here I am to accept the challenge as a sports minister of Canara CBSE school. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. I hereby owe to maintain the trust of my principal ma'am and my teachers, and to do my best as being the sports minister of the school. I hereby owe to abide by the rules and regulations of the school. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashis. Wish you good luck. The students of our school are divided into 5 houses: loyalty, integrity, generosity, honesty, and tranquility. The captains and vice captains of each house work together with the support of the house in charge teacher to carry out various competitions in the school throughout the year. The house points are recorded and the winners are rewarded at the end of the academic year. May I now invite Mrs. Sindhamati to declare the names of the captains and vice captains and the teacher in charge of various houses for the year 2020-21. Over to you, Sindhamati.
Thank you, ma'am. The teacher captain of Loyalty House is Mrs. Parinita, and the student captain is Shaman Shetty, and the vice captain is Tanvi. Integrity House, Mrs. Priya is the teacher captain, and K.S. Danvi is the student captain, and B.C. Advit is the vice captain. Generosity House, Mrs. Pravina Radesh is the teacher captain, and Arpita Shea is the student captain, and Tejas is the vice captain. Coming to Honesty House, Mrs. Sujata Ashok is the teacher captain, and Sandhya Bandari is the student captain. Ashwin Suleya is the vice captain. Tranquility House, Mrs. Jayashree Shetty is the teacher captain, and Manvit J. Shetty is the student captain, and Saranga Rao is the vice captain. Thank you. Congrats to your students.
Thank you, Sindhamati. The discipline ministers, the information ministers, and the health ministers are yet to convey their messages to us. I invite our discipline minister, Navami and Pai, to speak to the gathering.
Good evening to one and all. Myself, Navami and Pai, here before you as the Discipline Minister of Canara High School CBSE. First and foremost, I am eternally grateful to our beloved Principal Ma'am and teachers who have always been a pillar of support to me and adjudged in giving me this position. I thank all my friends
who have been a great support for me throughout. In this time of adversity, I promise to abide by my duties and responsibilities towards my school. I shall pledge to be a good exemplar and help all my fellow friends in all ways possible. Following the footsteps of our principal ma'am, I promise to uphold the discipline of our school. Canberra High School CBSE has played a very important role in shaping and mending me towards the right path. Once again, a big thanks to the entire Canberra family for believing in my abilities. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Navni. Wish you great success. Our Discipline Minister Arjun is invited to come forward to speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arjun. First of all, I would like to thank the principal and my teachers for having belief in me and giving me this opportunity. Discipline is an essential part of life. If you want to achieve anything in life, you need to be disciplined at every aspect. A well-disciplined person completes his work regularly and follows a particular schedule of his goals. As a discipline minister, I will be disciplined and I will abide by the rules and regulations set by the school. I will be well behaved while carrying out my duties. I will try to learn from my mistakes and I will not repeat them. I will promote the good behavior among the students and maintain an atmosphere of friendly cooperation, peace, discipline, and unity in the school. I will lead not by my words, but by my behavior and discipline. Finally, I would like to conclude by a quote by Jim Rohn. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun. Wish you all the best. Let us listen to our Information Minister, Swati Prabhu.
Good evening, honorable dignitaries, beloved principal madam, dear teachers, and my fellow ministers of the cabinet. I am overwhelmed as a minister before you to be sworn in as Minister of Information of Canberra High School CBSE for the academic year 2020-21. The global emergency of the COVID-19 pandemic confronts us all with unpredictable, disruptive situations which have changed our daily lives. My message at this juncture is, let us all follow the safety rules and regulations sincerely and do our part as responsible citizens so as to flatten the COVID-19 curve at the earliest. We students have been using internet very much frequently in the recent days. As a Minister of Information, my primary concern would be to stress on how to navigate digital world safely. Friends, let us all share positive news and act of kindness around us. I humbly thank authorities for this opportunity and promise to do my best for the betterment of my alma mater. Thank you.
Thanks to Swati. Information Minister Ninod Kulal speaks to the audience.
Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, Ninod.
Thank you. Great leaders don't set to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. Good evening to Principal Ma'am, teachers, chief guest, and one and all present in the solemn occasion. I, Ninad of Class 10, have been studying in this prestigious institution for the past 10 years. It was a long journey towards positivity and goodness and shall continue to be one. All these years I have been trained by my principal, teachers, and other staff members for everything my words can express. I heartily thank all my teachers for believing that I'm capable of being a leader. I would assure each and every teacher and my beloved friends that my duty and responsibility shall be done with full determination and dedication. My words aren't enough to be thankful to all. Last but not the least, I would like to say that leadership does not depend on which post he or she is given, but it depends on what they do and how they do it. I would like to end this speech by saying 3 words. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anna. Wish you all the best. May I invite the Health Minister Sakshi to speak to the audience.
He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sakshi Rao of Class 10. Firstly, I thank Principal Ma'am and my teachers for giving me an opportunity to become the Health Minister. In lieu of the current situation, good health is the need of the hour. Maintaining your health should be a priority to prevent infection. Though it is safer to continue with the online classes that are being conducted so well by our teachers, here are my suggestions to be followed when the school reopens. I'll make sure that hand sanitizers are placed at the entrance of every class to minimize risk of infection. Importance will be given to hand wash with soap both at school and at home. It shall also be made mandatory for everyone to wear face masks at all times and follow the appropriate social distancing rules. If we stand strong and follow the rules diligently, together we can beat the virus. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi. Wish you all the best. I invite the Health Minister Sri Ganesh to speak to the audience.
Good evening to one and all present here. Hope you, your family, and all your dear ones are in good health. All of us are going through unprecedented times, and I wish everyone really good physical and mental health. As it is rightly said, health is wealth. Health is the first and foremost foundation of everyone's life, as without health, no one can enjoy life that they deserve. I, Sri Ganesh Kamath, appointed as the Health Minister, would like to take a note that I will promote public health by spending some time discussing about the current disease awareness with my fellow schoolmates and our respected teachers. Let's all come together to support the cause of maintaining good health, hygiene, and sanity of our school and our society. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my beloved principal and teachers for appointing me as the Health Minister for this academic year. As a Health Minister, I encourage everyone to do yoga and take some homemade remedies to build your immune system. Finally, I wish everyone to take care of your health and stay safe. Thank you.
Sri Ganesh, wish you all the best. We are fortunate to have with us the Principal of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Mr. Pushparaj Badiyadka, as our chief guest. May I request sir to address the gathering?
Very good evening to all. Hope I am audible enough.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. My salutations to Sri Sudhakar Paisa and the respected management committee members, the principal Joy S. Rai madam, and teachers and all the leaders, those who are chosen for today. I think you are really the luckiest ones. The reason is, even though you are not coming to school, but still you are chosen. Why? Because you do have these capabilities. That is why you are chosen among 1,500, approximately 1,500 students. That means that you are the real leaders, no doubt. You have or you possess this quality. That is why you are chosen among these many students. Now, from the, the school head girl, Ashna, Dhanesh, and the cultural ministers, Nishant, Sai Pratibha, and the sports ministers, Swapna, Yashash, discipline, Navami, and Arjun, information, Swati and Ninath, and health minister, Sakshi, and Ganesh Kamath. I really congratulate you. Along with all these ministers, the sports captains do play a vital role in running the school. Anyway, the pandemic will be over soon, no doubt. But you have to make a difference for this academic year for Kendra CBSE. Why I am very particular about Kendra CBSE is, let me be very open and honest to all the crowd, those who are addressing this conference or this investiture ceremony. Whenever some parents come to me in my school in Kasaragod, they normally ask me, sir, we are proceeding to Mangalore or we are going to settle in Mangalore, and which school to be chosen. The first answer comes from my mouth as it is none other than Canara CBSE school. Even you can verify with your principal, madam. It has happened in so many occasions, no doubt about it. Anyway, you are chosen as leaders. And I'll tell you, Ashna and Dhanesh, very important thing you have to follow is this year when you reopen, once you come back to the school, no doubt the health ministers are going to get the priority. You know why? The pandemic is going to continue. And when the health ministers are going to get more priority, the discipline ministers, definitely you have to do the discipline work, whether things are taking place in the right shape. The information minister, you are supposed to give information to all the teachers, no doubt. The sports ministers, you have to see that the yoga and other practices, the physical fitness is maintained. And the cultural ministers should see that maximum competitions and events are held. Because of this online classes, because of this competitions, you are going to reduce your stress, no doubt. But one reminder to all my dear leaders, leadership doesn't mean that the growth. It is the process, the growing process, the continuous process. Once growth is achieved, never think that it is over. So always be a growing leader, not a leader. A growing leader is always successful in their life. The best example you can take from your school is none other than your principal. And we are in touch with your principal for the past 7 to 8 years. So we have seen a leader, and you are lucky to be with the principal, and lucky to be with such a good management, and lucky to be with such good communion of teachers, because I know almost every teachers from Canara CBSE school. Congratulations, my dear students, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Those were lovely, inspiring words. Thanks a lot. In these challenging times, when each one of us is seeking help and guidance, there is one person who has always been there to motivate, encourage, care, and lead us. Our beloved principal, Mrs. Joy J. Rai. I request our principal, ma'am, to address the students. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good evening to all of you. At the outset, let me congratulate all my student leaders once again. You are ready to don the mantle of leadership. And today that you are invested with leadership, let me wish you all the very best. It is rightly said, a leader is one who knows the way, who goes the way and shows the way. Dear children, many of you promised to be role models. It's very nice to hear you say that. A leader is the one who will lead and show the way. So you're going to do that. Now it is the time of this pandemic. All of us know this, and the situation is quite difficult. Therefore, we are not asking you to come to school. You're having your online classes going on, and especially 8, 9, and 10. The students are attending to the classes very beautifully. They are on time, punctual, everything. But sometimes there are difficulties. Sometimes there are people who are entering the classes. Now this is a time where you need to be showing your integrity. You have to be honest. You have to be together and say that no outsiders into your classes. I think this is one small request from the principal's side. Now today's program, it's called as Let's Sync. The spelling being LETSYNC. What is this Let's Sync? Let's Sync means it is all of us together will cooperate and collaborate for the success of the school. If that has to happen, children, we have to have 4 important mantras, and those are dedication, devotion, determination, and discipline. Now, when we put all these together, we definitely will have very good results. The 5 qualities of a good leader are clarity of vision and thought, decisiveness, courage, passion, and humility. Many times during our assemblies, I've been telling you, humility is the best virtue a person can have. Be humble and you will be great always. Be truthful, you don't need to remember truth. On and on I have been telling this to you, and I'm sure my students of Canberra CBSE will definitely follow whatever is told, and you will see the change that will happen. These days, along with the pandemic, we are facing so many other issues, like the rains, the incessant rains that are taking place in all the parts of our country. There are floods, people are distressed. Let us pray. Let us pray for them. Let us pray that the pandemic curve flattens as soon as possible. Let us pray for each other and be strength and support to each other. My dear students, with these words, I'm sure that you and your parents are safe at home. You are also being obedient, disciplined at home, and also not only disciplined and obedient, I think you're active at home. That is what our correspondent always says. Children have to be active. They have to get up in time. So therefore, we are having classes also in time. At 8, we start the classes. So my dear children, I hope this pandemic teaches us a lesson. We are here to learn. Each and every day is a lesson to be learned. And therefore, I hope as soon as it's possible to come back to us, we would be waiting for you to welcome you with open arms. Our school really needs you, students. Our school looks so very empty without you. And therefore, we are just waiting for you to come back to us and that you have a very happy schooling. Thank you. And once again, congratulations and all the very best to my dear student leaders. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the encouraging words. Shri Kuchikar Sudhagar Pai, a constant support to all of us in our endeavors. His endless commitment and guidance has always been an inspiration to the students and the staff as well. With deep reverence, I invite the correspondent of Canberra High School CBSE, Shri Kuchikar Sudhagar Pai, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
At the outset, my sincere thanks to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Pushparaj, for his kind and encouraging words. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Dear children, you have gone through the investiture program today. Let me just briefly tell you what it is all about. It is actually, investiture is a medieval time event where the Pope or the Bishop or somebody used to bless or give the responsibility and honor to the king or subsequently to the other office bearers. For example, even today, I believe in United States of America, there is an investiture ceremony for their Supreme Court judges. But in India, the equivalent ceremony is something like swearing in. Okay, you have seen the swearing in ceremony of the cabinets and other things. Okay, that apart, today's investiture actually is, you have, a team has taken over. I congratulate you all for that. But it is remember, the team has got two components. One is the elected members or the selected member. We cannot do that unless the school reopens, because the class representatives will have to join you later. When the school reopens, they will elect the class and join you. But right now, what we have got is a selected team. Okay, why you are there? You must remember, you are there because of the silent work you have done last year and the previous year. It is not just you are selected from nowhere. Okay, it is a recognition of the silent work that you have done. Now you are in the limelight. Okay, so keep it up and be the part of the team and play the role that you are assigned. And when the school reopens, as I said, we will have other teams. But the problem is, why have it now? The question, even I myself was wondering, why have investiture at this when you have got online? Because it requires a team to conduct all the events, even online. You are not only leaders, you are also a team members. Remember that. It is not just leadership, it is acting as a team. You are a team member, right? Okay, as a team, like in cricket, only the captain cannot win the game. It has to be entire teamwork. Okay, you are a part of the team. Go as per the instruction of the principal and our very well, accredited, teacher. And I am sure as this thing called, we will rise up to the Canara CBSE or Canara group of institution highest order. Thank you very much and congratulations to all of you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for the motivating words. No function is complete without expressing our sincere gratitude to all those who are a part of it. I call upon Mrs. Chandrika to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Bharatima. Greetings to one and all. It is said that if you're working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. This seems so true after being a part of today's investiture ceremony. For us at Canara, the well-being of our students is the topmost priority. So, even in a situation where events cannot be managed in an active setup, we have come up with the virtual medium of bestowing the young leaders of our school with their responsibilities. At this juncture of celebration, I feel extremely happy to be doing the noble deed of thanksgiving. First and foremost, I place on record my heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest of today's ceremony, Sri Pushparaj, Principal, Chinmaya School, Kasaragod. Sir, thank you for making time and being a part of this solemn occasion.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Vice President of Canara High School Association, Sri M. Annappa Pai, for his support. Thank you, sir. My humble gratitude to the Honorary Secretary of Canara High School Association, Sri M. Ranganath Bhatt. Sir, thank you for encouraging us. The correspondent of Canara High School CBSE, Sri Kochikar Sudhakar Pai, has been a constant guide to us in all our endeavors. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and gracious presence in today's session. My sincere thanks to the managing committee members of Canara High School Association for their support. I extend a wholehearted gratitude to the principal of Canara High School CBSE, Mrs. Joy J. Rai. Ma'am, Your vision for the betterment of the school has made it achieve greater heights. Thank you, ma'am. A big thanks to the parents and PTA members who are our pillars of support. Thank you all. A friendly note of gratitude to the faculty members of Canberra High School CBSE. Your unflinching efforts make the school excel at all times. Thank you. I express abundant of thanks to all my dear students and send across lots of good wishes. Thank you, one and all.
Thanks to Chandrika ma'am. May I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We have come to the end of the virtual Invest-Teacher ceremony. This was a maiden venture, and I thank all those who have made it successful by their cooperation and participation. Please excuse us for any technical glitches that have occurred. Once again, thank you to everyone.